Hello travelers, today we're taking a look at these here, which are a bone conducting headphone from a company called Tough On. Now when you open these up, you will see that they are kind of over the ear style headphone. So they are a bit unusual. It kind of goes over the ear and then sits on the front of your ear like this. As you put both sides on, they just kind of sit there and they're pretty secure. You can go running with them and they're not going to fall out. They are kind of designed and marketed as sort of running headphones or times when you need headphones that let outside sound in. And the part which is bone conducting is this part at the back which touches the back behind your ear, and it does provide the sound of the bone. If you do look closely as well, you'll see that just this part here that sits on the front of your ear also does have a speaker. So it kind of works in conjunction with these two, bone conduction and this one, to give you a really nice clear sound. The sound especially is really good for podcasts. The bass isn't quite as strong as I would have liked, but it's still there. It's just not as strong as in-ear headphones, just because of the design of these ones. Now with this case, you do get up to 45 hours, I believe it is, playback time. So when you're ready, they have a wireless charging. They just sit right on there. Doesn't matter which side they go on, they both fit in either way. And then they charge in the case. You can see the lights here show you how much battery is left. And it also does have USB-C recharging. So if you are interested in checking these out, go ahead, the link in the description or in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.